Good day to all my beloved viewers out there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make marijuana or cannabis leaf crochet. For the material I use acrylic yarn and 1.75mm hook. Alright, to begin, we will start with a magic ring. Then, chain 1, and make 8 single crochet into the magic loop or ring. And tighten up that loop. After that, we will going to slip stitching to the first single crochet. Now for the first leaf, make chain 5. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then skip the first stitch and into the next stitch. Make a 1 slip stitch. And then 1 single crochet to the second stitch. After that, make 2 half double crochet for the last 2 stitches. Next, make slip stitch into the ring so that we can make a next leaf or second leaf. Then make a slip stitch into the ring for the second leaf. Now for the second leaf, chain up 7. Skip the first stitch, then make 1 slip stitch. Next, single crochet. After that, 1 half double crochet. Next, 2 double crochet for the 2 stitches. for the last stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. And again, make slip stitch into the ring for the third leaf. Now for the third leaf, chain up 9. Slip stitch in next stitch. Next, single crochet. For the third stitch, 1/2 double crochet. And 1 double crochet. Now into the next stitch, make 2 triple crochet in each 2 stitches. After that, make 1 double crochet. And 1/2 double crochet for the last stitch. Then again, after the half double crochet, make slip stitch into the ring for the middle leaf. Now for the middle leaf, chain up to 11. Then into next stitch, let's make 1 slip stitch. Next, single crochet. Then 1/2 double crochet. And make 2 double crochet into the 2 stitches. Okay, then after that, make 2 triple crochet. then 2 double crochet in each 2 stitches. Then for the last stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Then slip stitch again for the next leaf. Alright guys, we are now finished our middle leaf, and for the next leaf we're just going to repeat the 3 leaf, which is the 3rd, 2nd, and the 1st. Slip stitch in next stitch. Next, single crochet. For the 3rd stitch, 1/2 double crochet. And 1 double crochet. Now into the next stitch, make 2 triple crochet in each 2 stitches. After that, make 1 double crochet. And 1/2 double crochet for the last stitch. Skip the first stitch, then make 1 slip stitch. Next, single crochet. After that, 1/2 double crochet. Next, 2 double crochet for the 2 stitches. For the last stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. And again, make slip stitch. Now, we are going to chain up to 6 for the stem and make 5 slip stitch in every stitches. Well, if you want to make it look like my finished keychain cannabis leaf, then I suggest you to make another one, then attach them together. That's all for today, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.